Students, this video is in English. The same video we have uploaded in Hindi as well. In this video, I want to discuss with you the correct way to go from 450 plus to 650 plus. Now understand this, if you are getting 450, slightly more than 450, this is how it would typically look like for you, right? You will be getting around 70, 72 correct in bio, around 27, 25, 27 correct in chemistry, 25, 27 correct in physics. This will add up to 126, 125 correct questions, around 450 marks. If you have to reach 650, you have to get around 85 correct in bio, 40 correct in physics, and 40 correct in chemistry, right? This will add up to around 165 correct, 645 total. Now, it is not necessary that exactly this and this would be there, here and there. 1, 2, 3 questions might be there. You might do more correct in physics, less correct in bio. All those things can happen. But broadly speaking, this is how it would look like. Now, to go from this state, current state, to what is required, because all of you want to be in your dream government medical college, right? AIIMS Delhi, Maulana Azad, Safdarjung, King George, all these colleges, right? Now, it is extremely important that we understand what do we need to do to go from this place to this place, right? The first most important thing is you should have completed syllabus. And even if the complete syllabus is not there, at least majority of 97 chapters are close to completion, right? Majority means at least 70 chapters are close to completion, right? Second thing is you are regularly giving tests. If this is the case, if these two things you are doing, the third thing that you need to do is go for extra test practice and extra difficulty level, right? So the wrong way is going to be, the wrong way of increasing your score would be syllabus is not complete, syllabus not complete, and still you are spending time in doing difficult things, difficult problems. You will only get depressed, it would not help you, right? Second thing is you are not giving tests. Right? The right way is going to be first complete majority syllabus, give tests, and go for more difficult concepts and problems under supervision. Right? So this is what we want to start in this new course that we would launch on NEET Prep, which is going to be called 450 to 650 course. What we are going to do is we will assume that you are already at a certain level. That is why we would strongly recommend that this course should not be taken by any student who is scoring less than 450 in their test series, whatever test series that they are doing. For our existing students, this course would be free if they are scoring more than 450 in the test series, in our test series, right? If they are scoring more than 450 in our test series, this course is going to be free, right? If you are not scoring more than 450, then this course is not for you. For students who have not joined our course, who want to join only this course, we will start it. I will announce very soon we will start it. You can purchase this course, join it, but only do it if you already have good understanding of the syllabus, right? And you want to jump to the next level, in which we will help you go from here to here. Faculty will give you a set of problems, you will practice, then there would be video on a specific difficult topic, and then there would be some more difficult problems to solve. And we will require every day 2 to 3 hours from you for 200 days remain, right? So every week, 6 times a week, we will do this: physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, and in 200 days, we will cover 97 chapters, right? That is the idea. So I want to know in the comment section, and I'm talking in English in this video because a lot of students from South have also joined us. I want to know from you in the comment section whether a course like this would be helpful or not. Do you think something like this would help you go from 450 plus to 650 plus? Tell me in the comment section, and hopefully we will get an idea about how many students would actually think that they will benefit from a course like this. All right, students.